guys, my name is Victoria Pavlov. I'm the Photoshop artist. Welcome to my studio. Today I will show to you how we can improve our travel photography with Adobe Lightroom Classic. So guys, let's start. I have opened my images I took in Iceland, and today I will improve particular this image. For now this image pretty much unusable, but we will improve this image just in few clicks. Just in a second. So guys, let's start. Right click on this image and I will create a virtual copy. Just like that. Nothing is too complicated. Now I will switch to develop workspace, and here I have few options. I can adjust my white balance using eyedropper tool, or I can just simply click after, just like that, and voila. I will bring exposure down. I will increase contrast. I will bring highlights down. I will move shadow slider to the right, black slider to the left, just like that. Nothing is too complicated here. I will enable profile corrections, just like that, and also in upright workspace, I will click on after, just like this. And voila, guys. Can we improve it more? Definitely we can. In tone curve workspace, I will bring highlights down. I will increase lights just slightly, guys. I will bring darks slider down to the left, and I will move shadow slider to the right, and voila, guys. Also definitely I can change temperature. If I will move temperature slider to the right, I will apply more warm effect to our image. So guys, this is what I wanted to share with you today. Very simple, very fast. But if you have some time and you would like to dig deeper into this topic, please stay with me. And guys, let's start. I'll be back to library workspace. I will click on same image, right click, create virtual copy, just like that, guys. When virtual copy was created, I will switch to develop mode, just like that, and I will change white balance to after. Perfect. This image is overexposed for sure. Moving exposure slider to the left, I will bring exposure down. I will increase contrast, moving contrast slider to the right. I will bring highlights down, so I basically moving highlight slider all the way to the left. Moving highlight slider all the way to the left helps me to bring all details of this beautiful sky. And guys, I will move shadows slider almost all the way to the right. Moving shadow slider all the way to the right helps me to bring back all details in these houses, in our grass and the road. I will bring black slider to the right, to the left, I'm sorry, very slightly. Moving a black slider to the left helps me to bring all details of our grass. What about the hay slider? I can leave the hay slider as it is, but to add more dramatic effect, to apply more dramatic change to my image, I will move the hay slider slightly, guys, very slightly to the right. It's about +8. Same with clarity slider, guys, slider very slightly. I will move a clarity slider to the right about +5, just like that. I liked what I'm seeing right now. Very beautiful image. I remember the time I took this image, and I'm happy with my result, but I always think I can improve more. So what I will do, in tone curve workspace, I will move a highlight slider down to the left, and moving highlights slider to the left helps me to bring more details of this beautiful sky. I will increase lights, moving lights slider to the right, just like that. And I will bring darks down slightly, guys, very slightly. And shadow slider will be moved to the right, just like that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I can increase a sharpening just slightly, guys, maybe, yeah, slightly. And also I will move luminance slider in a noise reduction workspace area slightly, guys, to the right. In this case, I will apply smooth effect to my image. I like it. Do not forget about enable profile correction. I will click and look at this, guys, very dramatic change. This is without enable profile correction enabled, and with, guys, look at this. Same with upright workspace. I will click on auto, and I'm happy with this beautiful result. I will move amount of magnetic just slightly to the right, guys. In this case, I will have white area in the bottom of my image. So if I will move it slightly to the left, about -2, I will have very nice improvement. So, guys, I like this image, but as you notice, I have I had a very dirty sensor. For some point when we arrived in Iceland, my camera sensor became very dirty. So I can improve it just in a second. What I will do, guys, it's very easy. I will switch to spot removal tool, just like that. By the way, I'm using my Wacom tablet as always. I will bring down size of my spot removal tool, and I will click on this spot, and voila. Same with this spot. Perfect. I will click done, and voila, guys. If I missed anything, I will adjust it right this, like that. Very easy. Nothing is too complicated. And now I'm happy. I will click OK. Guys, I would like to adjust a bottom area of my image, but I would like to adjust it in a smooth way. So I don't want to see dramatic difference between bottom and top of my image, but I would like to apply some changes to my grass. I can do it. I will switch to graduated filter, just like that. And I will specify area I would like to apply my graduated filter to, just like that. Now, guys, I will bring exposure slider down slightly, guys, and I will move temperature slider to the right, just like that. I will increase contrast. I will bring highlights down. I will move shadow slider slightly, guys, slightly to the left, and I'm happy with all result. Right, what I'm doing right now, I'm moving a black slider slightly to the left, about -7, and I will increase dehaze. So I will move dehaze slider slightly to the right, and I will click OK, and voila, guys. Now I'm very happy with my image. Let me show to you before, just like that. It was before, and this is after. Maybe I will increase exposure just slightly, right here, and now I'm really happy. Let me show to you before and after. Just in few clicks, guys, we dramatically improved in a good way our image. So, guys, this is what I wanted to share with you today. Super appreciated your time. If you have any questions, please ask. I will be more than happy to answer to any of your questions. Thank you very much, guys, and I will see you later. Bye.